This printer is HP Envy 6520 or 6500E series. What I want to do is to show you ways to print documents from computer with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected the printer and laptop via wireless network. And to print documents, go to File Explorer. I'm going to show you how to print documents and also show you how to print photo. So select Documents from your computer, then type the document name, double click the document to open. This is the document want us to print out. Select print icon or select Ctrl P from the keyboard. Then go on the left side and select correct printer, HP Envy. Then select number of copies. Want to print all page. Select print on both sides, long edge. Then select more settings. Select the size as A4, 100%. Then select print. This is the document we printed out in color, two-sided. Another way to print document is for us to print using HP Smart App. The printer and laptop both are connected together using HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App and this is the printer. From this app interface to print document, then you select Print Documents. Supported file, then you select OK. Then it will take you for you to select the document from your file, particular place you save the document. Select the documents, then type the document name you want to print out. Then select on it, then select print. So the document is now attaching to the file. This is two-page document. Then you select correct printer, orientation, select portrait, the size as A4, plain paper, quality, normal. Print on both sides. We printed double-sided earlier, so I want us to print single, one-sided. Then scroll down. We want to print all, more settings. We want to print in the column. Borderless printing, can switch it on or off. So it's currently on. Then you select OK. Then select print. So the document is printing. So these are documents we printed out. Now I want to show you how to print photo. To print photo, I want to show you how to print 4x6 photo paper. So open up the paper casket, then take 4x6 photo paper. You need to make sure the printable area need to face down. So make sure the printable area need to face down. So load the paper on the casket, then adjust it. This is 4x6. Then go to the screen, select modify, then select type, select HP photo paper, HP photo paper, the size, select the size as 4x6 inch, then select done. So the paper is saved and changed to 4x6. To print photo, then select from the HP Smart app, select print photos, then go to wherever you save the photo. I want us to print this from document or from download. Select download, then select the image, the photo, select photo to print. This is the photo we want to print out. Make sure you select correct printer. You want to print it in portrait. Select the size as 4x6 inch. 4x6 inch. One photo per page. Borderless printing. Borderless printing is on. Paper type. Scroll down to select HP photo papers. Then select more settings. Print on both sides. Select print on one side. You can print on both sides if you like. Print on one side is selected. I want to print it in color. Borderless printing is on. Then select OK. Then select print. So the photo is printing. We'll also show you the photo. You can pause it. You can cancel it. You can resume all. This is the photo we printed out. These are ways to print documents and photo from computer with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.